I just bought for you 5 metals. Now can you name the metal? What is this?
Iron.
This one?
Magnesium.
This is?
Aluminium.
So aluminium metal, instead of metal, we have the aluminium metal powder. Next is?
Zinc.
Next?
Copper.
Copper. Now we have 5 metals with us. Now what we have to do is, we need to displace zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate is a salt. Is it a salt or not?
Yes.
So, zinc sulfate is a salt. So we made a solution of zinc sulfate. Now we need to test whether zinc sulfate, from this zinc sulfate, zinc metal is being replaced and any new salt is being formed or not. We need to test it. Now we already have an idea about the metal activity series. Now here, zinc sulfate, when it reacts with copper, will you find the reaction happening?
Yes, ma'am.
Think and tell. Think and tell. Now look, I have written zinc is more reactive. Zinc is more reactive and copper is less reactive. Suppose if I take a copper metal and add into this zinc sulfate solution. Now this first one will do it. Now we have 4 boiling tubes here. Let us take. Now here I am adding copper metal I am adding into it. Now for that what we need to add?
Zinc sulfate.
So we'll take the help of Archie and she'll add just 1/4 of the boiling tube. And whenever you are adding, just hold your boiling tube like this and then you need to add them. How did I catch? Okay. Now here we have taken zinc sulfate we have taken, and then what did we write here? Copper. Midun, where is copper here? Take it. Place. Okay. Now what did we add?
Copper.
Now for this, the reaction won't happen. So for this we need to add few drops of HCl for the ionization reaction. Now what we'll do is, we'll not disturb it. We'll just place it here undisturbed. Okay. Now next, what is the
Zinc sulfate.
next reaction? Next, someone else can try. Add zinc sulfate in this. Now first we have added, first one we have completed. Next one is zinc sulfate, and then next we are going to add
Iron.
This is a iron metal, so I am using iron nail. Iron nail I am adding into it. So we have placed HCl. Now we need to add HCl. HCl also we have added. So we have placed it undisturbed. The next is, what was the next one? Aluminium. The next one, you can add zinc sulfate. Add zinc sulfate. How will you catch?
Like solution.
Now we have added zinc sulfate. Into this what we need to add?
Aluminium.
Where is aluminium here? The aluminium metal we don't have, so we are adding just a metal powder. And then we need to add few drops of HCl. And then we leave it for a while undisturbed. Next, you can try. Slowly. So this is zinc sulfate we added. What is the last one we didn't add?
Magnesium.
Magnesium ribbon. Add it. And to this what we are adding?
HCl.
HCl. some time. Now all the 4 test tubes are here. Able to observe anything, any reaction is happening here. No. Did you find any action taking place?
No.
No. Actually, for the action to take place, even if you wait for half an hour, 1 hour also, since copper is less reactive, you may not observe any reaction taking place. So copper will not have any reaction. Next, what was the next one we have added? Iron also is less reactive. So you don't find any reaction happening. Now next comes aluminium. Before aluminium, I just wanted to show you magnesium. Now everyone observe, you are able to find some bubbles.
Yes.
Able to see the bubble formation?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
The other side?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshita? Yeah? So, now do you find the same thing here when you compare?
No, ma'am.
That means what? Now, magnesium is
Reaction.
started?
Reaction.
Reaction, what is a special, special reaction? What was that?
Displacement.
It is started displacing. Whom it is displacing?
Zinc.
Zinc. So zinc it is being displacing, and as a result you are going to have the formation of magnesium sulfate. What is less zinc. What is the formation of formula of magnesium sulfate?
MgSO4.
MgSO4. Now Mg and SO4, why there are no subscripts here? Because the valencies are balanced. So the common ratio we have taken 1:1. That's why MgSO4 plus zinc. So here you have magnesium sulfate forming here. And you don't have any color specification, colorless. It is colorless. Next,
Aluminium.
now since aluminium also displaces, but it takes time. Since magnesium is more reactive than aluminium, that's why you are able to visualize the reaction quickly. So what is the formula for aluminium sulfate?
AlSO4.
AlSO4
Plus
Al2SO4 thrice. Because sulfate has valency 2, oxidation 2, and aluminium has plus 3. So when they have an exchange, you will get
SO4
thrice. Plus you will be getting the zinc. And we don't have any reaction taking place. So did we observe the same thing happening here?
Yes, ma'am.
So today, did you all understand displacement reaction?
Yes.
Now how many metals we have taken?
5.
Now why I did not add zinc?
Because
Zinc sulfate is formed from the same element. So generally it won't displace, and we don't get any new thing. That's why we didn't add
zinc.
And all other 4 elements, metals we have
Added.
Now what could be the result also you have seen. You don't find the result in the 2 test tubes, but you are going to find the result in the other 2 test tubes. Formation of a new substance. What is a new substance formed?
Aluminium sulfate and magnesium sulfate.
Aluminium sulfate and
Magnesium sulfate.
magnesium sulfate. Now shall we do the same thing again with another one? Aluminium sulfate. Same metals we'll try, and shall we do whether it is displacing or not? Okay, now what we'll do is we'll place them back, and we'll just use test tubes.